Good, nobody's here. Got all to yourselves. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm about to set up my tripod and explain what this video is going to be about. You should already be able to tell by the title of this video. Okay, so guys, right now I'm at the park, and today I'm going to be trying to learn how to do a front flip. Now, I've really been wanting to learn this trick. It's kind of hard. Usually I go low, but yeah, today I'm trying to learn it. So today I'm gonna try to land it for you guys. So let's see what happens. Yeah, sure. You wanna say hi?
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel.
Jeremy, did you just see me land that?
How did you do that?
I don't know. That's my first time ever doing it.
I want to try it. Yeah, I'm gonna bust my butt.
No, it doesn't really hurt if you land on your butt.
What's your channel name?
Okay, so I just landed my first front flip ever.
Yeah, I follow.
Go,
I'm
boy.
gonna do another front flip. Let's see if I can do it again.
Busted your butt, boy. Hey, so that was close. How are your feelings? How do you feel?
Hurt.
Here he goes. Holy shit. Oh my bejesus.
I think this is gonna be my last try for the front flip, because
He did
my
make
knee
it.
hurts. So.
I can do it. I can.
Try it. Try it. You guys try it. Okay.
Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Damn! Daniel!
That's two.
Whoa!
See? Hey, whenever you do it, throw your arm.
I'm a cameraman. Subscribe to my channel.
Man, these kids out here, free promotions, like, the heck? They actually think I'm gonna put them in? Psh. Try it to be on YouTube. Now, how are you feeling?
I need Jesus.
Okay, so I just landed my first ever front flip ever, and it was like the cleanest I think I might ever get it. It was pretty good for my first front flip. And the second one, it was kind of bad, but I still landed it, so.
I'm the horrible one with the green shirt. Call me Ninja Turtle. Thank you very much.
Comment Ninja Turtle if you saw that. That was my first front flip. Kind of happy about it. I thought it would take me longer. This is way more successful than the learning how to backflip. That was like filmed. That was filmed right over there. So maybe if I would have filmed over here, maybe I would have landed backflip. Who knows? But I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of this video. So okay, so my mom's not home. At least I don't think. I think she left with my brother to go and get something. So I'm gonna prank call her and tell her that I messed up my foot or something. So we'll see what happens.
Prank call the police, I dare you.
But she's not home right now. I'm at the park, and I'm just gonna prank call her and tell her that I hurt my foot or something. So let's see.
Because if we
Let's see this.
Jesus.
Hey mom, I need you to come to the park real quick. I hurt my foot.
What do you mean?
My foot's twisted.
Okay, well you're gonna have to wait because we're still at the store.
Are you joking?
No?
Mom, my foot looks real weird. It's all twisted.
Okay, well you're gonna have to wait until I'm done at the store.
Mom,
we're gonna...
I can't even put pressure on it or anything.
Okay, that's great. I still have to go check out and then I'll be on my way, okay?
Well, how long do you think that's gonna take you?
I don't know, but good job, dude.
Mom,
What?
I'm just kidding.
Okay, what do you want?
Are you serious? That's all you gonna give me?
Well,
That's all I get to work with?
what do you want?
I wanted to prank you and get a good reaction.
You mess yourself up all the time.
When?
Okay, for real, let me go.
Okay,
I'll call you back in a little bit.
bye.
You can prank
Bye-bye.
call Dad.
What the heck, man? That's all she gave me?
dude,
That was stupid.
Try to prank Dad.
Okay, so right right now, me and my brother are walking home. I decided not to do anything else much because my knee's starting to bother me. I don't know what it is about front flips. I guess it is how hard I land, but my knee's really hurting from them. And actually, I was trying them on Monday. I'm recording this on Thursday, and on Monday I was doing front flips and my knee's really hurting now. So I guess I'm just going to try to land a few every day, not too many like I do backflips, because backflips I don't really land that hard to where it bothers my knee. But front flips, I don't know what it is. I guess it is how hard I land, but yeah. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing for the rest of this video. Hopefully it's something interesting. I hope, because that was a really good front flip for my first front flip. I know I already said this, but that was a really good front flip for my first front flip, and it kind of shocks me because I just set down the camera, I just started recording, and I landed the front flip like first try. And I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to be honestly like the backflip video, to where I just fail, I guess, because that really is, that video was like pretty bad, and I guess it's because I didn't know how to do it. I should have learned how to do it and then went and tried it, but I don't know, maybe front flips are just easier. So I don't know, that gives me something to think about. But I will definitely get better at front flips. That was a great first one. Really happy about that. Yeah, I really don't know what else to do. I guess I'll catch y'all whenever I get home. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. That was my first ever front flip, so I'm really excited about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, go leave a like and subscribe right down there. Also, my Instagram and Twitter will be down there in the description below, so go check those out if you want to follow me and be kept up on my social medias. So I'll see you all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.